What is object oriented programming? Object oriented programming, also known as OOPS, refers to a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects. Objects are instances of classes which can contain both data and code. Data is nothing but the attributes or properties, and code is methods or functions used to manipulate the data. Object oriented programming offers several advantages that address various needs in software development, making it a widely adopted paradigm. Here are some of the primary reasons for using OOP concept. First is modularity. OOPs help in organizing code into modular self-contained units called classes, making it makes code easier to manage, understand, and debug. Each class can be developed, tested, and maintained independently. Second is reusability. OOPS allows the creation of reusable code through inheritance and polymorphism. It reduces redundancy, saving time and effort. Common functionality can be implemented in a base class and reused in derived class. Third is encapsulation. Encapsulation involves bundling data, that is, attributes and methods that operate on the data within a single unit known as class and restricting direct access to some of the object's components. It protects the internal state of an object from unintended or harmful modifications. It also simplifies the interface for interacting with the object. Fourth is abstraction. Abstraction involves hiding Abstraction involves hiding complex implementation details and exposing only the necessary features of an object. It simplifies interaction with complex systems by providing a clear and concise interface. It also helps in reducing complexity by focusing on high level operations. Fifth is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows methods to perform different tasks based on the object that invokes the methods. It can be achieved through method overriding and method overloading. It enhances flexibility and scalability. It allows a single interface to control access to a general class of actions, making it easier to add new functionality. Sixth is inheritance. Inheritance allows a new class to inherit attributes and methods from an existing class. It promotes code reusability and establishes a natural hierarchy. It allows for the extension and customization of existing code without modifying it. Seventh is maintainability. OOPS principle help in maintaining and updating code more efficiently. Makes it easier to update, modify, and enhance software over time. Changes in one part of the system can be made with minimal impact on the other parts. Eighth is improved productivity. By promoting code reuse and modularity, OOP can improve development productivity. The developers can build more complex and robust systems over quickly and with fewer resources. Ninth is real world modeling. OOPS allows modeling real world entities and their interaction in a more natural and intuitive way. It makes it easier to design and understand complex systems by mapping real world problems directly into the programming domain. Tenth is flexibility and scalability. OOP principles provide the flexibility to change or add new functionalities with minimal changes to existing code. It enhances the ability to scale applications and adapt to new requirements over time. To understand the basic concept of OOPs like classes, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction, let us go through one example. Let's suppose we define a class such as book, member, and librarian. Now, creating specialized classes like reference book and ebook that inherit from book. This will be inheritance. Now, implementing a method checkout that behaves differently for member and librarian. This is polymorphism. Hide the details of book inventory management within the library class. This will be encapsulation. provides simple interfaces for adding books, registering members, and checking out books without exposing the underlying complexity. This is abstraction. By utilizing OOP concepts, the library management system becomes more modular, reusable, and easier to maintain and extend.